we love chewing gum in our family, but I don't know if you know this, a lot of gum has some unnatural ingredients in it. And we love this one because, as you can see, it is aspartame free. It's only got healthy ingredients. It's great for you. It tastes great, gives you a great like fresh breath feeling when you chew it. And so we order this frequently from Amazon, and you can see it comes in different packs. Pull it out, you just pop it out of the little pack, and you are ready to go. Definitely get this. Great for you, great for your breath, and you will love it.